10 ದಿನಗಳ ವಿಶೇಷ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ತರಬೇತಿ ನೀಡುವ ಕುರಿತು ತರಬೇತಿ. It was Master Trainers Training Program for 10 days at Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mysore. ಆ ರೀತಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಂತ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಈಗ 4 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡುವುದು ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. It has multiple effect. It is just like a chain reaction. I don't know whether controlled or uncontrolled. We have got controlled, uncontrolled chain reactions in physics, nuclear physics. We shall make it controlled chain reaction. ವಸತಿ ಸಹಿತ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ, ಸವಾಲಿನ ಕೆಲಸ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ದುಸ್ಸಾಹಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಲಾನುಭವಿಗಳು.
Our NCERT book is concerned in this natural selection, few words explanation, that paragraph is over, natural selection is also over as far as our NCERT book is concerned. But we must know with those pyramids that is necessary. First, natural selection. Suddenly our mind goes to industrial melanism and dedetizations. No. Then we feel proud to say that when he published his book, Origin of New Species by Means of Natural Selection, it was sold out in a day just like Yana of Bhairappa. That time. Till today, we are feeling Darwin's principle is there in neo-Darwinism, that is natural selection. The natural selection of Darwin is there in neo-Darwinism, no doubt. But that is in different level and this is in different level. Natural selection in gene level, that is natural selection in organisms level. Only the terminology is there in neo-Darwinism. Only terminology is there in neo-Darwinism. Natural selection with respect to genes. The organisms with the dominant, efficient and strong genes can survive, reproduce, and they contribute their genes to gene pool of next generation.